So the challenge in the market is to find a picture that appeals to you and test it, and see whether you, part of the fun is doing the research, whether it be mathematically for technicals or for fundamentals. But the major problem people have now, fundamentals is the Apple story. 4 years ago, when I spoke down in Florida, I gave them the Peter Lynch analogy of picking a company that's products appeal to you and you know in your everyday life, and you know you're all tech savvy and figure things out, but they have to be confirmed by the technicals too. That's why I gave you on my syllabus a Edwards and McGee, which is the Bible of technical analysis. But what I started doing was I just started drawing lines, uptrends and downtrend lines. And what I love is pattern recognition. So what I tried to do was, what happens is you get more experience, it's like seeing an old friend. You know, and that's the sixth sense of trading, where you've seen the situation before, you recognize it, and it's sort of like I had the self-preservation last week when I was in this oil. I had 25,000 put options. Every dollar would have been $25 million if it moved against me. So I was in, Monday night I traded to 86. I had rolled down that day from the 85 strike to the 83. It cost me $4 million to roll down, but I was about saving the mother load and getting out of Dodge. My wife has me on probation right now. I have to be in by midnight.
I would imagine as trading has become more electronic, I imagine your early days, a lot of trading is dictated by brokers on the floor, and I'd imagine with less technology, the market.
There's seats in the house.
Yeah, the market was a little more emotional and volatile. Would you agree with that? I would imagine.
I think it's more emotional now in a way, because we're defying science. We're having 6 sine curves in a day, and I'm getting high and low tides every 2 hours instead of every 6. There's so much. I told Danny. Danny came to me 25 years ago. He said, "What do you want me to do for you in the pit?" I said, "Watch who wins and tell me what they're doing." And the same thing. What I tell them now is, I call it pushing water in the bathtub. The programs are meant to push you to the brink of making an error.